Hello and welcome to another Coast to World vlog, and today we have come to the South Pier in Blackpool, and it's my birthday today, so what better way to spend it than do some rides. And this pier is closing at 11 o'clock tonight, so should be able to get some rides in the dark. It's about 8:30 at the moment. About 8:30 in the evening. So we've got about 2.5 hours. We've just been trying to find PT Vlogs. He's just been doing his live stream, but he had to go to the toilet before we actually found him, because we were going to bomb his live feed. But yeah, so we're going to get this vlog done, and then tomorrow we will be going to Central Pier. After all, today is the first day it's reopened since the fire last week. But yeah, going to have a look around, go and get some tokens and get on some rides. So first up ride for me is the Crazy Coaster, and this is the new credit for me. I have been here before but couldn't ride it because of wind. Not my wind, but obviously nature. But yeah, so I'm going to try and get on this one now. Well, certainly dizzy after that. Took a little while actually to get on it. Don't know why, but they were just having a little chat up there. But yeah, new credit, tick, done. On to the next ride. Yeah, breakdance, what a ride. not been on it for a long time, and I actually forgot how quite intense it actually is. I'm feeling quite dizzy after that one. Just gonna have a little bit of a break, I think, after that one, and then go on a few easier rides before going back to having some of the more intense rides, should we say. But yeah, good ride, definitely worth it. 3 tokens. Right, well, it started raining outside, so I've just come inside and I'm just going to go on some of the 2p machines until the rain dies down. Obviously I've still got tokens for the fair, so I will be going back out in a bit. But at the moment I'm going to do some of these coin pushing machines for 2p and try and win some prizes. Hey, got some.
We have to find the others. Here's someone.
Okay, so we've just come out of the arcades there. It's still absolutely chucking it down. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it for tonight. The tickets that I've got are valid for 24 hours, so we're gonna come back tomorrow and finish this vlog off and do some more rides, because I'm not doing the rides in this weather. Got no chance. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Good morning and welcome back. We are still at the South Pier at Blackpool. Rain has now gone. We're on a new day. Blackpool's fully in swing now. The Sandcastle Water Park has reopened today as well. Blackpool Pleasure Beach is doing a late night till 10 o'clock. We're going to finish off doing the vlog here on the pier. And we are going to just start with a nice easy ride and do the carousel behind us, and then work our way up and do a few more rides, get rid of these tickets that I bought yesterday, which have got 24 hours on them. So yeah, looking forward to another good day. Nice relaxing ride there, just to start the day off with. I've already been to the Velvet Coaster, had a nice big breakfast, so I don't want to rush into things, but gonna take a little trip over there now and go on the waltzers. So that's going to be a test to the stomach. bit dizzy after that. It's a nice ride. It's actually been a while since I've been on a waltzer which has actually had a spinner on it, but it wasn't too intense, to be honest. I've had worse. And quite a short cycle. So I'm going to do a couple more rides, and then we're going to move on and do something else. Not sure what yet. I know yesterday we said we were going to go to Central Pier the day after it opening, after the fire. However, we might have a change of plan, so we'll just see for now. Next up, we are going to go on the dodgems. It'd be rude not to, or as I like to call them, the bumper cars, because they are for bumping, not dodging. So yeah, looking forward to having a classic ride on the dodgems.
One way around the front there.
Good ride there on the dodgems. That was a really long cycle, actually, really good, and pretty brutal. Some kid had it really in for us there. And a little bit of backwards driving. So yeah, well, I've got one more ride left to do. We're going to go on the Miami, and then move on to somewhere else. Okay, so last up, we are going on the Hard Rock Miami. I've not done this one before. It looks pretty good. So yeah, looking forward to this. Yeah, that was a good ride there on Hard Rock. Eventually got me to first, took 3 attempts to actually get going properly on it. But yeah, good ride, decent cycle, and yeah, not been on one for a while. Not been on many rides for a while actually, so it's all coming back now. But yeah, we're gonna leave the vlog there now. Ran out of tokens. Hope you enjoyed it, so give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.